Good afternoon, guys. Let's talk a little spell token, shall we? A little spell token price prediction action for you. All right, what do we got here, guys? So right now, $95 million market cap, $9 million, 24-hour trading volume, up 4.7% on the day. Not too bad. Spell got a lot of good listings. Coinbase, OKX, Gate.io, Bybit, Binance, MEXC, and so on. Very, very bullish on the amount of listings that they have. Let's get right down into it here, guys. Now, listen, I'm going to give you their price predictions, and then I'm going to give you my price predictions. You know how we do it here, okay? So I'll tell you whether I agree or disagree. So, saying that, let's get into it. Spell token price prediction. Spell token is known as a local digital token of the blockchain lending company Abracadabra Money for staking and governance purposes. Fundamentally, the DeFi lending platform enables consumers to provide collateral in return for Magic Internet Money, MIM, the stablecoin of the platform. The people with the MIM stablecoins in their crypto wallets can exchange them for the rest of the crypto assets or stablecoins on the entities where the MIM is accepted. The stablecoin is not unique within the decentralized finance industry. Abracadabra is different from the companies such as Aave, as it accepts Sushi, Memo, as well as the rest of the interest-bearing digital tokens, along with convex curve curve tokens in the form of collateral. In addition to this, Abracadabra provides yield farming related opportunities. As a result of that, the consumers are permitted to stake the liquidity provider coins in their possession for farming spell tokens. The foundation of the project was laid by Danielle Sasta. The person who created, the person also credited for the Olympus DAO fork Wonderland and the decentralized market maker Popsicle Finance on the blockchain of Avalanche. Parallel to him are Squirrel and OX Merlin, who have co-founded Abracadabra. They administer the company as well as present themselves as participants of the community titled Frog Nation. Despite the idiocracy name, the success of Abracadabra has been so loud. In the previous year, the company made up $2.2 million per week on average in terms of fees. Apart from that, it had nearly $5 billion in total value locked. Moreover, the firm recorded approximately $120 million in per annum revenue. The decentralized crypto lending firm Abracadabra.money lets consumers collateralize their crypto assets to have stablecoin-based loans in return. Nonetheless, Abracadabra is exclusive in its characteristic that it uses collateral in the form of interest-bearing tokens, which are included in a category of liquidity provider tokens. This respective tokens are now getting more and more popular these days within the decentralized finance sector. These tokens offer consistent returns, and their value gradually increases based on the time, how long someone holds them within this innovation. Abracadabra, as well as the secondary technologies such as MIM and Spell Token, are famous apart from the rest of the present lending companies existing in the DeFi world. Stablecoin loans permit investors to enhance their profit while retaining the respective digital asset ownership. For instance, investors can reinvest or sell their loan earnings, promoting additionally complicated trading strategies. Generally, DeFi protocols such as SushiSwap, Yearn, and Curve mint interest-bearing tokens as included in the loan structure. Abracadabra Money targets further decentralizing the investment opportunities related to the DeFi spaces by turning them into collateral for stablecoin loans. The ecosystem of Abracadabra donates the newest category of entities in the decentralized finance sector of DeFi 2.0. On the other hand, DeFi 1.0 epoch relied on liquidity renting, including providing rewards to the yield farmers for their liquidity. However, DeFi 2.0 focuses on protocol-owned liquidity, POL. Essentially, if someone takes out a loan, the collateral bears the interest and turns it into self-repaying loan. The tokenomics of Abracadabra money. The MIM token is placed at the core of the Abracadabra money. It is a USD peg stablecoin that is supported by interest-bearing tokens as its collateral. The minting of MIM tokens is carried out by the Ethereum-based multi-sig holders. The respective procedure is just conducted after the tokens are collateralized and put into circulation. In the coming time, the tokens may get bridged to the rest of the blockchains. The consumers can utilize the MIM tokens to purchase the other stablecoins that are globally accepted, taking into account USDC and DAI. Along with this, the consumers can also purchase the primary crypto token Bitcoin within the MIM stablecoin on the well-known crypto exchange Bitfinex through the trading pair BTC MIM. MIM and other such algorithmic stablecoins are released as well as burned from their circulating supply. As consequences of this, their value remains pegged to the $1 spot. When the consumer deposits tokens collateral for the platform of Abracadabra, as well as takes get outs of loan MIM tokens, the company mints exclusive MIM tokens and puts them into the supply. They're backed by the interest-bearing collateral tokens of the consumer. Now, guys, a word of caution here. The United States is currently trying to pass a bill to ban algorithmic stablecoins. Keep that in mind. Look what happened with Terra Luna, right? That is why. When a customer repays the MIM token, minted MIM tokens are burned by the protocol. This minimizes the overall market circulation. The respective mechanism contract, as well as the enhanced supply of the MIM tokens to ensure that the $1 peg is maintained through the MIM token and the essential chief token with the ecosystem of Abracadabra. The spell token, as well as its derivative spell token, assists in the network governance as well as incentivizing market participants. The spell token meets the governance purposes. Excuse me, I got the hiccups. On the crypto forum of Abracadabra, and its cumulative supply includes 210 billion tokens. The token distributed takes into account worldwide farming incentives, team allocation, as well as the IDO allocation. In the rest of the worldwide farming incentives, nearly 63% of the tokens are specified. The respective tokens are utilized for incentivizing specific LP pairs, as well as mining projects. Along with this, the team allocation receives 30% of the token distribution. These tokens are specified for the founding team participants. The remaining 7% of the token distribution is credited to the IDO. The spell token initial supply was offered to the primary supporters of the project. This was done through the initial DEX offering, or IDO. So we're going to move down into their price predictions, and we're going to have a look at what they think. So, spell token price prediction 2024. Spell token value includes estimating spell token's future price. The use of spell token price prediction model points out that the token can reach an average price of an eighth of a cent in the current year. So they think it'll reach 208 this year, and a maximum of 8 cents. So a minimum of 208, a maximum of 8 cents. In 2025, they foresee a minimum of 1 cent 885 and a maximum in 2025, a maximum of 2 cents. How are you going to have a higher in 2024 than that? Doesn't make any sense. So I disagree, guys. They think a maximum by 2030 is 5 cents. So I disagree with their calculations here, in my opinion. And we're going to go over it and we're going to have a look at Spell. I'm going to tell you what I think, because that's why you're here, right? You care what I think. Well, let's talk about it. My spell wizards. That's what we are, right? The Wizard Legion. So we've got a reasonably low market cap on Spell. Most of the supply is in circulation. The all-time high was 3 cents, guys. I think that Spell is going to absolutely smash 3 cents, in my opinion. It's got a huge community behind it, massive utility. The only red flag word of caution is the algorithmic stablecoin. I would be very, very cautious and be cognizant of that. Be aware, as I said before, the United States is trying to pass a bill right now that will ban algorithmic stablecoins. So, again, look what happened with Terra Luna, right? So in saying that, yes, so my price targets for, I'm going to do the peak of the bull run, okay? Where do I think Spell can go? Well, right now we're at 1/8 of a cent, right? All-time high was 3 cents 2 years ago in the last bull run. I think Spell's going to outperform that. I think the community has grown massively since then. The tokenomics are great. The market cap's reasonable. So I would see us getting somewhere around that 12 to 15 cent mark would be optimal for Spell token. And you guys know me, I like to be conservative here, right? So it could be higher, but I'm targeting around that 12 to 15 cent level conservatively. And we'll see where it goes from there, guys. Got a lot of good listings, a lot of potential. Like I said, could be higher. Could see it as high as, I'll say, how about this? I'll say 12 cents to 25 cents. Somewhere in there is where I see Spell token going. Let me know what you guys think. Hit the like button, guys. Hit the subscribe button. Click the join button to become a member of the channel. You get members-only live streams on Sundays. Become a member of the Patreon. You get Patreon-only live streams on Wednesdays. You don't want to miss those either. Links for those are down below. Follow me on X, join the Discord, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.